Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to show you guys a project I created a few years ago. It is a house in Python Turtle, and I just wanted to show you guys like how I coded it and how you can use it. So here's a description of my program. This program lets the user decide if they would like Tracy the turtle to draw a sunny day or a dark night by selecting the options 1, morning, or 2, night. If the user enters something besides the numbers 1 and 2, Tracy will ask the user to try again until they enter a valid option. So I just want to show you guys the functions I created first, and then we'll run the program. So I created a function to draw the sun. I created a function to draw rays. I created a function to draw the moon, function to draw the cloud circle, another function to draw the cloud all together, a function to draw the house, a function to draw the roof, another function to draw a door, a function to draw windows, another function to draw the tree trunk, a function to draw the leaves, another function to draw the triangle tree's tree trunk, another function to draw the triangle tree's leaves, and a while loop so the user can keep responding to the prompt, and options for what the user picks, and then we call all the functions as well. So let's try it out. So I'm going to run the program, and it says enter the number corresponding to the answer. Do you want it to be 1 morning or 2 night? So I'm first going to enter 1 and then enter, and it creates this house in the morning. And now let's run again. 2 night, and it creates this house. Let's say we enter something that's not 1 or 2, like 6. It tells you that was not one of the options, and because of the while loop, they're going to keep asking until you pick like either 1 or 2. So let's try 8. That's not going to work either. So let's just do 2, and because that works, it creates the night, and then the program is over. So yeah, so that's it for my project. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys is that I hope you learned a lot in this playlist on how to create like mini projects and stuff. And I would really encourage you to create your own project in Python Turtle and just have fun with it and be creative. These are actually examples of what my previous students have created, and they were just in middle school. So I think if they were able to create these amazing projects, you guys will be able to as well. And just have fun with Python Turtle, because I think it is truly one of those languages where you can really have fun with coding as well as with art. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.